Alright friends, welcome to AzizDrives. Today I'm doing one of my genius fuel economy tests, and this time with this BMW M6 V10. So the reason why I do this test is because I just don't want them to win, okay? If they win, it's all over. There's no car anymore for me or for the people that are like me. So I'm trying to drive as economically as possible with the BMW M6. Why this test is dumb is because they are known to use an insane amount of fuel. So I will see whether I can do anything that's in my power to actually keep the fuel consumption low. And if God willing I can reach like under 10 liters, I'd be the happiest guy ever, because look at it. 4 exhaust pipes, a massive ship, 1.78 tons, which is not that massive in today's terms, and of course a V10. So let me show you the engine first before we start the test. You just pull there. What a fantastic condition this car has. I still can't believe it, how lucky I was. Okay, open it up. Wow, V10 S85 baby, absolutely beautiful. There's really one thing that I don't like. It's just that one thing. It's that I don't have a manual oil measurement. It's electrical, so I don't really see how much oil I have. I always have to kind of fill it up, half a liter, wait until the car gets to temperature 100 degrees, and then it will show me eventually. But it's now been 2 days and it's still not showing. Well, I haven't driven it that much, to be honest, maybe 10 kilometers, but whatever. We're going to do the test. So I think today's trip is going to be around 100 kilometers. I'll fill the car up, of course, to the absolute fullest, and then I'll pump the tires up a little bit. It might be a myth, but I'll still do it to around 3.2 bar maybe, and then we'll see whether I can do anything with this old BMW M6 V10. So let's drive to the petrol station. Right, here we are. Let's reset everything. There is the station. So to reset your basically fuel cluster, first of all, reset the kilometers. Just press this button and then press board computer here while being in that menu, and that's it. So now it's going to measure from new. Of course, it doesn't take anything under 98. Here it is. It will drive with 95, but of course I'm putting in the good stuff, right? The good stuff. There was a strange thing though. Actually, I filled the car last time up with V-Power 100 octane, and it used more fuel, strangely. So I don't know, I think 98 is the right thing to do with this car. Okay, this is it. You see that? It clicks. Great. That doesn't matter really, because it matters what we do on the second tank fill. Hopefully under 10 liters, hopefully. Let's pump the tires up. And now have a look at this. This is my cap for the air lid. So I wonder how long it's going to take until those bastards steal them from me. But anyway, I pushed the other tires up to around 3 bar. Let's push this one too. Great. Now that's a little better. Let's go. M6 should wash the car, I think. Okay, 3 bar. Let's give him 3.2, right? 3.2. Okay. Next tire. The plan is not to suffer. I will not turn off the climate control. I will just shift manually at around 2000 RPMs, and hopefully we can bring the gauge down. So 4th gear now. Is there anyone coming? Nope. 5th gear, 6th gear, and 7th gear. That's it. Not touching anything anymore. We are right now at 39.5 liters of fuel, but that's just because we started driving. So let me baby it to around 110 kph, and then I'll lock this in, and we'll probably see each other at around the 1/3 mark. So I wonder what I can do. Yeah, 7th gear, 110 kph coming in. Head-up display is there. Maybe I can show you on the head-up display how fast I'm going. That's it. 105, 107, and 110. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let me have this Tony Mate. I tried to get a sponsoring from them, to be honest, but they wouldn't. They loved me, they loved the channel, they loved what we do, but they couldn't really sponsor me because they're not in this segment, okay? So if you know about any sponsor or anyone interested in sponsoring AzizDrives, let me know. Write me in the comment section or write me an email. Cheers. And we are going right into the slipstream of this, whatever this is. Let's chill here for a couple of minutes. Yeah. This is going to be so boring. So boring. And since we didn't update the screen up until now, I don't have any Bluetooth or anything. So it's going to be boring. Let me sing a little. Riders on the storm. Dun 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 dun. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. But look at that, 11.2 liters. Let's see whether we can bring it down to under 10 liters. Oh man, this is actually the worst that can happen right here. All right, it's the worst that can happen. It's traffic, because obviously the M6 doesn't like to stop and accelerate again. It's pretty heavy. So hopefully we can manage to go under 10 liters at those 100 kilometers. Yeah, this is a real life scenario. You can't just do fuel tests with a perfect, everything perfect, rolling down the hill. No, we have to do it in real life. It's rough, man. It's rough. I just see it going up and up constantly. We are driving 30 kph. Can I put it into fourth gear? I don't think so. Yeah, it's going to be tricky, but I like challenges, you know. And this is the sort of test you can do in Switzerland. You can't really drive 300 kph with the M6, so we have to do fuel economy tests. But it's fun because every other guy would do a fuel economy test with a car that is basically everybody knows that it's going to use a small amount of fuel. I do it with a V10, and next year, hopefully, God willing, I will buy a V12 and do the same thing, right? So let's see what I can do. All right, friends, we are at 37 kilometers and currently at 10.4 liters, which is basically, like 1/3 of the road. So let's accelerate gently to 110, 120 kph, because this is 120 road, and you just press the throttle a little bit. And all the way I'm listening to music. I'm having the climate control on, and it's not like I'm driving 70 kph on the right lane. No, I drive pretty normal. I just want to prove that it's, for fuel saving, it's always just you against you. It's always you against you. You got to know how to help yourself, man. So I'm trying to baby it to around 117 kph maybe. And then we'll see how much I actually used by the end of this video. Oh man, I'm getting overtaken by all kinds of cars. No, not a Mitsubishi, man. Not a Colt 1 liter engine. Ugh. I'm not that mad about an Audi overtaking me, but a Mitsubishi Colt, that hurts. That hurts. Anyway, we're doing pretty fine. Hopefully under 10 liters. Come on, M6, come on! We just dropped to 10.2 liters. Come on, man! Oh, what the hell is this? Ha ha ha! Wow! That seems like a 328 Touring. Very nice car, actually. Oh, now I got a story. All right, here comes one of my car sins that I've done. All right, it's not just in general in life. I've done some crazy shit, but here is what I did with cars. Okay, so at one point I saved like 4K. All right? I saved 4K with everything I could do. I was broke as fuck, man. And then there was 2 cars that I was actually interested in. I went to my local auto trading site and I checked out a bunch of cars. And there it is, a 320i E36 coupe in black with beautiful seats, 140,000 kilometers, manual gearbox, peak condition, for around 4,200. Okay, and then on another trading site, I had an BMW 330 Ci Club Sport E46 with a little spoiler and a midnight blue color. The problem with that car was, technically it was okay, but it had like hail damage, but a terrible hail damage. So I bought the E46 because I thought, oh, you know, then people will see that I'm driving a newer BMW, so it won't be that obvious that I'm broke. Which was a false thinking. You know, when you're broke, man. You just gotta accept it. Just gotta accept it and work your way out of there. So eventually I did that because I ended up selling the 330 Ci, which I really loved. It had an SMG, man, just like this car. So I've gone full circle. But yeah, I don't know. I really should have bought the E36. It was a really dumb mistake. I mean, the E36 would have been 17,000 worth right now. The E46, I sold it for 3,900, so the same price that I bought it. I'm using the Slipstream of this Ukraine guy, and as I can see, I think he's doing some service. I think you can get yourself actually laid in that van. You know what? Let's overtake the guy. Oh God, please. Go under 10 liters. We are at the final meters, friends, and I managed to do a 10.1 liters. I wished I would have done under 10 liters, man. That fucking traffic screwed everything. But let's see what it has done realistically. Maybe I am still lucky and we have actually used under 10 liters. Here is the petrol station. Let's see. Oh man, this is really stressful. I wished I could have done under 10 liters. All right, friends, the moment of truth. Let's see what it actually used. Come on. Come on, man. Don't do it. Don't go over 10 liters. Come on. Oh! Holy shit. No. Holy shit. Can you believe that? Holy shit. That's it. That's the max that is going in, man. I actually did it. 9.02 liters. Oh my God. You can't believe how proud I am, actually. All the people here are going to see it. God damn it, man. The guy is a beautiful Lancia. I can't believe how the hell did I do that. Friends, according to my calculation, that means that I've driven the road 94.5 kilometers. So according to my calculation, that means that this car, the M6 V10, and you have seen it, I've clicked like 5-6 times and I've extra edited it. The first click happened at 8.6 liters. So let's just round it up. According to my calculations, the car used 9.5 liters to 100 kilometers because it used like 9.02 liters at 95 kilometers. Which, I don't know about you, but that was impressive, man. That was impressive. And that proves another point that it's not just the car, it's the driver. And the funniest thing is, the car told me I'm using 10.4 liters. So it's crazy, man. It's crazy. I can't believe I managed to do that. It's crazy.